currently working in level C, and today I am here to deliver a report to clear my level C. And the topic of giving my report is vibrant Garba competition, which was conducted by my school. So our school conducted a vibrant Garba competition, uh, spanned up to 5 days, and I was the head organizer of that event. So the main aim of that event was to aware cultural awareness about our heritage and community spirit, and also offer joyful experience to the student, the staff members and family members. So the day one started with the inauguration. So the inauguration started with prayer of divine feminine and with lots of jaikara. Then our principal gave a wonderful speech highlighting about the cultural heritage. Then we started our performance. It was like enough because it was an inauguration day. When we go to a day two, it was generally focusing on the traditional Garba dance. On that day, so many children of different grades performed on the stage. They perform a well rehearsed performance. They were from different grades and wearing colorful kurtas and all that stuffs. And the main aim of the day two was to spread the cultural heritage, that how our India is so diverse. We have so many cultures. That's the main motive of day two was that. Then we came back to day three. The day three focuses on the theme. On that activity, you have to just combine the Garba with the themes like Bollywood, historical event, and other historical folk just as Jhansi ki Rani ki Katha and all those things. So combining Garba with that is a unique thing. It was so much appreciated on the other neighbor school that it was a like a damn good thing for us, that so many school were appreciating us, that it's a new asso- new innovation, that we can say that. And the day four we took up a different kind of thing. It was creative thing. We combined the Garba with some modern moves. So it shows the versatility of Garba, that you can perform Garba with modern moves. It is so feel energetic and as well as so unique. At the day five, when we see it's a grand finale, the main host of that event was the wife of ex MLA विकास उपाध्याय ना
या
विकास उपाध्याय सो
ऑफ
वी
रायपुर वेस्ट
डिस्ट्रीब्यूट
ऑफ रायपुर वेस्ट
हाँ of Raipur West. So we distributed all the prize to the special performance, and at the fifth day we so end that evening we conducted an open Garba competition and Garba night. So all the alumni of our school and families were invited on that. So it was all about my school, and my experience was, when we talk about my experience, it was like amazing. I was the head of that event, so it gave me lots of learning. So it first of all it teaches me how to manage people and how to understand the feelings of other, how to understand the point of view of any other person. When you are a leader, you have to just understand the feelings, that what the other person is trying to say and how you can cope up with that thing. And I also learned lots of Garba steps from that thing. So thank you everyone. This is from my side. If you want to ask any question, you will be appreciated. Thank you.
या ग्रेट big hand for Kaushik. Good. Now it's time to ask the question. And we know that first of all we have to give some compliments, and actually we have to give natural compliments. Okay? Now start. Yeah, please take the first initiative.
Good evening, Saucy.
Good evening, ma'am.
Your reporting was very good, and the way you presented all the things, your experience, and every day, step by step, one by one. So it was very good, and you haven't mistaken in grammars anymore. And my question is that as we also have organized many events here,
ma'am.
but I feel happy
Mhm.
whenever I organize anything. So how was your condition that time? That did you feel irritated or not?
It's sometimes a very irritated thing, but when you have any kind of support, when I was head of organization, my family, my friends, and my superior teachers also supported me a lot. It reduces the stress when you have someone who is more experienced than you. Na, it generally reduces the stress.
Yeah, good. Nice answer. Please, next.
Kaushik, your reporting is very good.
Thank you, sir.
So I want to ask some question. So you are organizer. So you face so many obstacles.
Huh.
So how to deal with that?
Sir, you have to just, as I stated, you have to just understand what the other person's trying to say. When you understand and when you see when you understand what they are trying to say, and then you have to just start to cope up with them that no ma'am, it is very essential ma'am, we have to do this, it will create